Hello all, Chief Prepper here. Just want to do a quick video on a couple things. What you see right there is two 1.25 gallons times 2 of generator oil. So that's roughly 900 hours of generator operating time with oil changes every 100 hours. You say, why 9? Because that generator in there takes 1.1 quarts, so it for every 100 hours of operation. So I'll have another generator that's smaller, so I would probably actually be alternating the two so I didn't have to do an oil change right away. So what you see here is my second post-EMP nuclear war vehicle. 1986 Pontiac Parisienne. Fully functional. Needs new window tint and a few other things. Interior is in immaculate condition. I got it as a fluke, and I didn't actually want to buy it. And then I wound up buying it. $3,100 invested, $1,500 in purchase price, $1,000 in parts, and $650 in tires. I still have to get the drive shaft done. So other than that, it does not get good gas mileage, about 12-13 miles per gallon. So why is that a post-EMP nuclear vehicle? That, like this old Dodge truck, is a points and condensers version vehicle. So they are supposed to run. The only thing that's electrical in both of those cars is the radios, the fan switch, and the lights. It's like 10 circuits. So anyway, thought I'd do a quick video. I officially own the car now. Anyway, I encourage you guys, if you have the money, the time, the means, I did put the labor in for the $1,000 worth of parts. I did all that work myself. That was a new fuel tank sending unit, 6 short fuel lines, fuel pump, new battery, and a new carburetor on it. So anyway, good luck to everybody. Things are looking worse and worse and worse. I don't know what to say other than to keep prepping, keep your head on a swivel, ear to the ground, mind your mental health, because you got to keep your head on your shoulders, especially in times like now. So anyway, Chief Prepper out.